Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with essentials. Unlock your device and confirm the OS is current so options are visible. Once ready, open Settings and navigate to Digital Wellbeing or Screen Time. That's the control hub. Make sure you have your device PIN or account password nearby because some changes require authentication. You'll see activity dashboards first, resist scrolling, focus on the main controls. Now tap the main toggle or the main summary to access individual features you intend to disable, and prepare for the next config. You'll now remove limits one by one. Tap App Timers and clear timers or delete rules, then go to Focus Modes and switch them off or delete custom modes. Once done, enter bedtime or wind down and disable scheduled starts. Confirm by removing the schedule. For app-specific restrictions, open each listed app and revoke limits or reset permissions. Also disable notification summary or pause notifications so alerts return immediately. Make sure to apply saves where prompted. The interface may ask to confirm each change. Finish by verifying changes. Close settings and restart the device so toggles fully apply, because some systems need a reboot to clear active restrictions. Once restarted, revisit Digital Wellbeing to confirm all toggles and timers show off. If you used a managed profile or family link, make sure no external account is reapplying limits. Disconnect or adjust that account if necessary. If settings persist, clear Digital Wellbeing app data or reset its preferences. If problems continue, contact device support for a targeted reset or account unlinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.